Alright, this is with the new exhaust, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. It's got, normally, you know, all these Eclipses, I don't know what, you know, about the on up past 2001. This is an 01 model, but you got three cats. And as you can tell, it just rained. You got three catalytic converters for these cars. Anyways, you can get rid of the third one, the furthest one away from your headers. The first two, don't even touch them. What we did is that we took one out, and in place of that cat, we got rid of the old muffler too, but in place of that cat, we put a single chamber Flowmaster exhaust laid on out to a full 2.5-inch straight pipe exhaust. And this is the results. And it's, I think I got the loudest car, the largest Eclipse in town right now. But it's good sounding Eclipse. Alright, you can go ahead and get out of here.